One day, you're full of energy. You wake up with purpose. Your dreams excite you. Your goals feel within reach, and every step forward fills you with hope. Then, almost without warning, life changes. A family problem, a health issue, financial stress, a difficult relationship, a disappointment you never saw coming. Suddenly, the same person who was once full of enthusiasm struggles to take even the next small step. What changed? Where did all that motivation go? And more importantly, how do we find our way back? Hello everyone, I'm Poonam Arora and welcome to In Conversation with Poonam Arora, where every story carries a lesson for life and emotional well-being. Today let me share a beautiful story. There was once a farmer who planted 2 seeds in his field. Every morning, he watered both of them with equal care. Within a few days, the first seed sprouted. It grew taller every day, and everyone who passed by admired how quickly it was growing. But the second seed showed no sign of life. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. People laughed at the farmer. Why are you wasting your time watering something that isn't even growing? But the farmer simply smiled and continued watering both seeds. Then one day, a terrible storm swept through the village. The first plant, which had grown quickly but had shallow roots, could not withstand the powerful winds. It bent, broke, and was destroyed. A few days later, the second seed finally emerged from the ground. It had spent all those months doing something no one could see. It was growing deep roots beneath the surface. When the storms arrived, it stood firm because its strength had been built long before anyone noticed its growth. Isn't life exactly like this? There are seasons when everything seems to be going well, and then suddenly life changes. Someone's words hurt us. Relationships become difficult. Health issues drain our energy. Financial pressures occupy our minds. Responsibilities increase. Unexpected setbacks shake our confidence. And slowly we begin to tell ourselves, I have lost my motivation. But perhaps what we have really lost is not motivation. We've lost our emotional energy. Our brain is designed to protect us before it helps us grow. Whenever it senses emotional pain, fear, uncertainty, or disappointment, it shifts into survival mode. And in survival mode, dreams, creativity, and ambition naturally take a back seat. It doesn't mean you become weak. It simply means your emotional energy is being spent somewhere else. There's another reason motivation fades. We expect motivation to stay with us forever. But motivation is an emotion, and emotions change. Some days you'll feel inspired. Some days you won't. If your progress depends only on feeling motivated, every emotional storm will stop you. Successful people understand something that most of us forget. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you moving. And habits make success automatic. In fact, I experience this myself. Since I recently started my YouTube journey, there are days when I wake up feeling incredibly excited. I have so many ideas. I can't wait to write, record, and share another message with all of you. And then the very next day, I may feel completely different. I start wondering, will people watch? Will anyone connect with my message? Am I doing enough? Sometimes I feel low and my motivation seems to disappear. I've even been told your content may be good, but when people see very few subscribers, they may assume it's not worth watching. For a moment, those words do affect me. After all, we are all human. But then I remind myself of something much more important. Every successful creator, every entrepreneur, every author, every speaker, every person we admire today once started with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, and very few people believing in them. Nobody begins at the top. So instead of focusing on the numbers, I choose to focus on my purpose. I remind myself of the happiness I feel while creating these videos. If even one person feels encouraged, finds hope, or looks at life differently because of something I shared, then my effort has already made a difference. And I truly believe that if my content is meaningful, honest, and genuinely helps people, the audience that is meant for it will eventually find it. Success doesn't happen because people notice you first. People notice you because you keep showing up. There is one more reason we lose momentum. Sometimes the biggest distraction isn't our phone or social media. The biggest distraction is an unresolved emotion. A conversation we cannot forget. A betrayal that still hurts. A fear we haven't faced. A problem we keep replaying in our minds. Until we deal with those emotions, they quietly continue stealing our attention. So what do we do when life knocks us off track? First, stop blaming yourself. You're not a failure because you lost momentum. You are simply a human being going through life's challenges. Second, give yourself permission to heal emotionally. A peaceful mind is always more productive than a restless one. Third, don't wait to feel motivated again. You don't have to get your whole life back on track today. You only need to restart today. Read one page, make one phone call, record one video, exercise for 10 minutes. Small actions rebuild confidence, and confidence brings back motivation. Remember the farmer's second seed. Just because nothing was visible on the surface didn't mean nothing was happening. Sometimes your greatest growth is taking place beneath the surface, preparing you for storms ahead. So if life has distracted you, if you've lost your focus, if you feel you've come back to square one, don't give up. You may simply be growing roots that will make you stronger than before. As the Chinese proverb wisely says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If this episode resonated with you, do share it with someone who may need this reminder today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss an episode of In Conversation with Poonam Arora. Until next time, take care of your mind, protect your peace, and remember, a pause is not the end of the journey. A storm is not the end of the season. Sometimes what feels like falling behind is actually life preparing you to stand stronger than ever before. Life may interrupt your journey, but it never has the power to define your destination.